Have you ever been looking for a reliable way to take profitable trades? Imagine having an indicator that highlights key market areas and increases your chances of success. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing strategy using the Swing Arm ATR Trend Indicator, suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. We'll be testing this strategy on gold, XAU USD, but you can use it for Forex, stocks, crypto, or any other market. Let's dive in. Now open Tradingview and load the gold XAU USD chart. Then click on Indicators, search for Swing Arm ATR Trend Indicator and add it to your chart. Now it's time to open the settings and adjust the following parameters. ATR period set it to 9, ATR factor adjusted to 5, FBI entries, turn it off for a cleaner chart. Now you'll see a colored zone on your chart called the Black Flag Band, FDS Band. Think of it as a signal alerting you that a strong market move is about to happen. Next, we need to determine the overall market direction. We'll use two moving averages for this. Go to Indicators, search for 10 in 1 different moving averages and add it to your chart. Adjust the settings as follows. MA1, set it to EMA 200 and change its color to white. MA2, set it to HMA 300 and use a yellow color. How to use them? When the price is above both moving averages, look for buy opportunities. When the price is below both moving averages, look for sell opportunities. If the price is fluctuating between the moving averages, stay out of the market. This indicates choppy conditions. Now that the chart is set up, let's go over the trading rules. 5 rules. The price must be above the EMA 200 and HMA 300. When the price touches the green FDS band and closes a candle above it, enter a buy trade. Set your stop loss below the green FDS band, the last swing low, or below the moving averages. Set your take profit at 2 times your stop loss. Sell rules. The price must be below the EMA 200 and HMA 300. When the price touches the red FDS band and closes a candle below it, enter a sell trade. Set your stop loss above the red FDS band or the last swing high. Take profit should be twice your stop loss. Let's test this strategy on other assets to see the results. With this strategy, there's no need to guess trades anymore. We use the Swing Arm ATR Trend Indicator as a guide and confirmed our trades using moving averages. Always stick to your trading plan and maintain a good risk-to-reward ratio. If you're new, practice on a demo account first. Let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to see in the next video. If you found this strategy interesting, comment below and let me know which asset you'd like to test it on. Have you used this indicator before? Share your experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Tons of amazing strategies are coming your way. Until the next video, trade smart and stay profitable.